Hello friends, how are you? I hope you're fine. In today's video, we will create a bootable USB drive of Windows 11 in any Android phone. If there is any problem in your laptop or PC, then you can create a bootable USB drive in any Android phone. For this, we should have an OTG drive with the help of which we will connect the USB drive to the phone. So let's start. You have to download the ISO file of Windows 11.2. To download, you have to go to any browser, search for Windows 11, download there and open the official website of Microsoft. And from here, you have to download the ISO file of Windows 11, select Windows 11, and after that, you have to download Windows 11. From here, I have already downloaded the ISO file of Windows 11. So in this way, first you download Windows 11. To create a bootable USB drive, you will need a small software. Go to the Play Store and search for the Ultimate USB app and install this app on your phone. After installing this app, open it in your phone. After opening the app, connect the OTG to the phone and insert the USB drive inside the OTG. Then the USB drive will be connected to your phone. You can see that the USB drive has been successfully connected to the phone. Now from here, you have to select the ISO burner option. By clicking on the Pick ISO button, you have to select the Windows 11 ISO file that you downloaded. For example, I go to the download folder and select the Windows 11 ISO file. After selecting Windows 11, scroll down and here you have to click on the Start button, and after that you have to click on the OK button. It is saying here that you should have 3 coins. For this, you have to watch 3 commercial ads here, then you will have 3 coins. After watching 3 commercial ads, click on the Start button, then click on OK. Then the creation of a Windows 11 bootable USB drive will start inside your phone. It will take you about 15 to 20 minutes. It took me 20 to 25 minutes. Then the Windows 11 bootable USB drive was successfully created in my phone. So you can see that a Windows 11 bootable USB drive has been created in our Android phone. Now you can install Windows 11 by inserting this USB drive into any laptop or PC. So in this way, you can create a Windows 11 bootable USB drive in your Android phone in a very easy way. If you have learned something from my video, be sure to subscribe to my channel